students, how are you? I'm good. Hope you are also fine. Today I'll introduce you a group of 5 friends, and these are here. These are your friends. Their names are A, E, I, O, U. They are vowels. Their group name is vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We are vowels. 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 Students, I have introduced you vowels today. Now look at your hand. It has 5 fingers. You can learn vowels with the help of your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, E, I, O, U. We are vowels. So hope you have learned it. Yay! Okay, bye.